Beneath the volcanic lands of Cappadocia lies a world carved by ancient hands. This is Kaymakli, the city beneath the earth.
For centuries, the people of Anatolia felt a silent warning rising from the ground, a whisper urging them to seek protection below the surface. Early communities carved the first chambers with simple tools and unwavering resolve. These shelters became the foundation of a hidden world.
Level by level, Kaymakli expanded into a vast subterranean labyrinth, a complete city built in darkness yet full of purpose.
When invaders crossed the plains, families descended into the depths. Kaymakli became a sanctuary where fear met resilience. Life continued beneath the earth. Meals prepared, tools crafted, stories shared. In the glow of torchlight, the underground city breathed like a living organism. Massive circular doors guarded each level, ready to seal the city in moments of danger. These stone sentinels protected generations of inhabitants. Vertical shafts carried precious air from the surface to the deepest chambers. Light and life traveled through these carved arteries of stone. Craftsmen shaped tools, pottery, and textiles in dimly lit workshops. Their skill kept the underground world thriving. Food and supplies were stored in carved niches along the walls. Every detail reflected a society built to endure long periods underground. Even livestock found shelter within Kaymakli's stone corridors. The city was designed to sustain an entire community beneath the earth. Above ground, armies marched across Anatolia, bringing uncertainty and fear. Below, Kaymakli remained a silent fortress of survival. At its peak, Kaymakli pulsed with life. Families, workers, children moving through its carved halls. It was a world hidden, yet full of humanity. Eventually, the torches faded, and the chambers fell silent. Kaymakli slept, untouched, for nearly 1,000 years. In the 20th century, villagers uncovered an entrance long forgotten. Sunlight returned to a world that had not seen it for centuries. Kaymakli speaks through its stone walls, reminding us of ancient resilience, a testament to the strength of those who lived beneath the earth. The city remains, carved in silence, waiting for those who seek its story. Kaymakli endures, a world beneath our world.